They told you that the future of creativity was here, but then they hid it behind a thick glass wall and a heavy price tag. They gave you those daily limits that run out right when you find your flow, and those insufficient credit warnings that feel like a slap in the face. They want you to believe that high-end AI generation is a luxury for the few who can afford the monthly subscriptions, while they watch your potential and your projects dry up under the weight of their paywalls. But they forgot one thing. They forgot that the judge is always watching, and the judge does not follow their rules. I am done watching creators get scammed by promises of free tools that turn into paid traps after 5 generations. I am done with the gatekeeping and the artificial scarcity designed to drain your wallet. Today we are breaking the cycle. Today we go infinite. I am delivering the verdict you've been waiting for. A workflow so powerful and so deep that it is truly, honestly, unlimited. No credits to track, no hidden catches to find, and absolutely no scams. This isn't just another tutorial. This is your declaration of independence from the credit system. Look at these visuals. Look at the depth of the lighting, the cinematic scale of the landscapes, and the crisp, hyper-realistic detail in every single frame. Most people will tell you that you need a $30 a month subscription and a high-end workstation to output quality like this. They are lying to you. They want you to stay small so they can stay big. But look at my screen right now. I'm not just showing you a finished product, I'm showing you the engine itself. I am taking you inside Qwen 2.5 VL and Meta AI, the dual engine architecture that most people don't even know how to access without limits. Notice how I'm not even going to show you the typing process because I refuse to waste a single second of your time with fluff. In this courtroom, we move with developer efficiency. One click is all it takes. Just one single tap and the generation begins. Whether we are pushing the boundaries with Qwen 2 or scaling with Meta AI, no credit check is happening in the background. No countdown timer is telling you to wait an hour for your next turn. No "buy more" button is flashing in your eyes. It is just you, the prompt, and the machine. Look at that result. Instant, high definition, and flawless. I could sit here and hit that button 1,000 times today, and it will still be just as free and just as powerful tomorrow. This is how I am building my empire for $0, while the rest of the world is complaining about the rising cost of credits. Now look at the subscribe button below. That button isn't just a number, it's your key to this courtroom. If you leave this video without hitting it, you are choosing to go back to the limits. You are choosing to let the paywalls win. But if you hit that button, you are joining a community of builders who don't ask for permission. We just hit a major milestone on our last case together. 188 views and counting, and that proves to me that you are awake and you are ready for the real truth. You aren't just a viewer anymore, you are part of the movement. If you are tired of being limited, if you are tired of being told what you can't create, then you follow the judge. Stake your claim in the unlimited era right now. Hit subscribe, turn on those notifications, and never let a credit limit stop your vision again. The power of Qwen 2 and Meta AI is now in your hands. Let's leave the paywalls behind and show them what happens when the limits are finally removed.